the present age is 24 is equal to 136 plus 2x divided by 6. Simplify this, you will get the value of x. That's it. Okay. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I will take few more problems on this averages. So I will discuss regarding 5 marks questions in this session, right? Now let us move on to the first problem. So this is a 5 marker question. Now the first problem is 10 years ago, the average age of a family of 4 members, 10 years ago, the average age of 4 members of a family were 24 years. 2 children have been born. The average age of the family is same as today. What is the present age of the 2 children, assuming that the children's age differ by 2 years? So very important problem. 10 years ago, the average age of the family of 4 members were 24. 10 years ago, the average age of family of 4 members were 24 years. 2 children have been born. The average age of the family is same as today. What is the present age of the 2 children, assuming that the 2 children's age differ by 10 years ago? The average age of 4 members of the family is 24. Let us solve this problem. Okay. Now what is given? 10 years ago, the average age of 4 members, 24 into 4. 24 into 4 is nothing but 96 years. 96 is the average age of 4 members of the family. This is given, first point. Now, after 10 years, let the age of the 2 children, let the age of 2 children be x and x plus 2. Okay. After 10 years, the age of the children be x and x plus 2. Right. The total age of the 4 members. So therefore, total age of 4 members is increased by this 96 plus 4 into 10, right? So the total age of 4 members is increased by this total age 96 plus 4 into 10, that is 96 plus 40. What is this equal to? This is equal to 136 years. 136 years, right? Now let us take all the sum. Now therefore, total age of the 4 members plus newly born 2 children is, therefore the total age 136 plus newly born 2 children is x plus 2. 136 plus x plus 2, right? What is this equal to? This is 138 plus 2x. 138 plus 2x. Okay. Today, the number of members in the family, is equal to 4 plus 2 newly born children, that's equal to 6 members, right? 4 plus 2, 2 are the newly born children, right? And what is the present age? Therefore, the present age is equal to 24 years. Therefore, the present age is equal to total age of the all 6 members, total age of 6 members divided by number of members in the family. So what is this equal to? Present age is 24 is equal to total age of 6 members is 138 plus 2x divided by number of members in the family is, what is that, is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, that is the present age is 24 is equal to 136 plus 2x divided by 6. Simplify this, you will get the value of x. That's it. Okay. Now, what is this equal to? 24 into 6 minus 138 is equal to 2x. Now, what is this equal to? 24 into 6 is 144 minus 138 is equal to 2x. So, therefore, 2x is equal to, what is 144 minus 136? That's equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. That's it. Okay. So, here 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Oh, right. So, therefore, age of first child is equal to 3 years and the second child is equal to x plus 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 years. So, therefore, the age of the first child is x is equal to 3 years and the second child is x plus 2, that is nothing but 5 years. So, the ages of the two child is 3 years and 5 years respectively. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed. Right. Now, let's move on to the next problem. This is an important and simple problem. A batsman finds that by scoring a century in 11th inning, suppose if he scores a century in the 11th inning, suppose if he scores 100 runs in the 11th inning of his test matches, his average will be better by previous 10 innings by 5 runs. So, if he score century in the 11th inning, his average is bettered by 5 runs in his all 10 innings. Then, what is the average after his 11th inning? So, what is the average after 11th inning of the match? Now, let us assume that the average runs in his 10th inning of the match is x. Let the average runs in 10th inning of his match is equal to x. Let x be the average in the 10th inning of his match. Okay. Now then total runs, therefore, the total runs in all the 10 innings is equal to 10x. Total runs in the 10 innings is 10 into x, right? Now then what is the given? Suppose if he score 100 in the 11th inning, then his average is better by the previous inning by 5 runs, right? So, therefore, average runs after 11 inning, average runs after 11 innings is equal to, average runs after 11 innings is equal to x plus 5. Total runs in 11 innings is equal to, just multiply 11 into x plus 5. That's it. Okay. See here, this is equation 1 and 2. Let us represent this as equation 1 and equation 2. So, two conditions. Let average runs in the 10th innings be x. Therefore, the total number of runs in the 10 innings is 10x. Similarly, if you score a century in the 11th innings, then average run in the 11th innings is x plus 5. Therefore, the total runs in all the 11 innings is equal to 11 into x plus 5. Okay. Now, therefore, the total runs in the 11th innings is equal to 2 minus 1. Therefore, total runs in 11th inning is equal to equation 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1 gives the total runs, right? So, what is the condition? You will hit a century. So, batsman find that by scoring a century. So, you will score a century means, therefore, 100 is equal to, subtract this 11 into x plus 5 minus 10x. So, that is 100 is equal to 11x plus 55 minus 10x. That is equal to 100 minus 55 is equal to 11x minus 10x is 1x. So, 100 minus 55 is 45 is equal to x. So, therefore, x is equal to 45. Okay. Now, this is the average runs. Therefore, average runs average runs in 10 innings. 10 innings is 45. Now what is required to find average runs in the 11th inning? Therefore, average runs in the 11th inning is equal to x plus 5. What is x? X is equal to 45 plus 5, that's equal to 50. So the average runs in the 11th inning is 50. X plus 5 is 50. Now move on to the next problem. A bookseller brought 228 notebooks at an average price of rupees 850, of which 8 books he brought is rupees 750 each and 84 at rupees 10.50 each. Find the price of the remaining books per unit. Now, this is very simple problem. A bookseller brought 228 notebooks. How many books? 228 notebooks at an average price of 8.50, 8 rupees 50 paisa, of which 80 books he brought for 750 each and 84 at rupees 1050. Find the price of the remaining book per unit. So, out of 228, 80 books will cost at a cost of 750. Remaining 84 will cost at a cost of 1050. And the remaining, what is the remaining book cost per unit, that is to be determined. Very simple problem. Okay. Now let us find out the total cost for this. Yes, cost of the total books. Now, the cost of total books is equal to how much it is? 228 into 8.50 is equal to rupees 1938 rupees is the cost of all the 228 books at the rate of 8 rupees 50 paisa, right? This is the first condition. Now the remaining books, how many books are given? That is 80 plus 84. This is equal to 164. So now let us find out the cost. Now therefore the total cost of 164 books is equal to, now that is 80 books at the rate of 750, 80 into 7.50 plus the remaining 84 books at the rate of 10.50. Simplify this. What is this equal to? 80 into 7.50 plus 84 into 10.50. 600 plus 84 into 10.50 is equal to 882. Add this. 600 plus 882 is equal to 1482 rupees. 1482 is the total cost of the 164 books, right? Now, what is the remaining book? Now, the remaining books are total books is 228 minus 164, that's equal to 64. Now, what is the cost of the remaining 64 books? So, therefore, the cost of remaining 64 books is equal to, just subtract this, that's all. So, that is 1938 minus 1482. The difference will give the cost of the remaining 64 books, right? So, what is this equal to? This is equal to 456. Therefore, average price of 64 books is equal to 456 divided by 64. 456 divided by 64 will give the average price of the book. 7.125. 7.12. So, the average price of the remaining books is 7.12. That's it. Okay, hope you followed. Now, let us come to the next problem. The average weight of 10 group of boys and the girls. The average weight of a group of boys and girls. Average weight of a group of boys and girls. Boys and girls is given. Boys and girls is equal to 38 kgs. Right. The average weight of the boys is 42 kgs and that of the girls is 33 kgs. If the number of boys is 25, find the number of girls is to be determined. Very simple and important problem, right? Now, let us consider the average. What is given? Now, the average weight of boys is equal to 42 and the average weight of girls is equal to 33. Number of boys, N1 is equal to number of boys is 25. Number of girls, N2 is equal to question mark, that is to be determined. But the average is given. The average weight of boys and girls is 38 kg. Therefore, average weight of boys and girls is equal to total weight of boys and girls, total weight of boys and girls divided by total number of boys and girls. That's it. So, the average weight of boys and girls is equal to total weight of boys and girls divided by total number of boys and girls. So, therefore, that is average weight is given, that is 38 is equal to multiply this. So, 42 into 25 plus x into 33 into x divided by, what is the total number of boys we have here? 25 divided by x, 25 plus x, that's it. Okay. The average weight of girls is 33 into number of girls we don't know, let us call it as x. This is equal to x. So, that is 33 into x divided by 25 plus x. Now, this can be written as 38 is equal to, what is 42 into 25? 1050, 1050 plus 33x divided by 25 plus x, cross multiplied. 38 into 25 plus x is equal to 1050 plus 33x, multiply this. So, 38 into 25 is nothing but 950 plus 38x is equal to 1050 plus 33x. Transfer this. 38x minus 33x is equal to 1050 minus 950. Simplify this, that's it. Now, what is 38 minus 33? 38 minus 33 is 5x is equal to 1050 minus 950 is 100. Therefore, x is equal to 100 divided by 5, that's equal to 20. X is equal to 20. That's it, right? So, x is equal to 20 means what is x here? The number of girls. Therefore, the number of girls is equal to number of girls is equal to 20. So, the number of girls here it is equal to, what is the answer? 20 is the answer. That's it. Okay, now move on to the next problem. Calculate the average daily wage earned by 100 workers in a factory using the following data. Now, what is given? Daily wages is given by 70 to 80, 18 workers, 18 to 80 to 97 workers, 90 to 100, 23, 100 to 110, 44, 110 to 128 workers. Now, take the average of this. Average. So, 70 plus 80, 70 plus 80 divided by 2, that is 150 by 2 is equal to 75. Then 80 plus 90 is equal to, this is equal to 85. Then 90 plus 100 is 95. 100 plus 110 divided by 2 is 105, right? 110 plus 120 divided by 2 is 115. That's it. Okay. Now, therefore, average daily wages is equal to, therefore, average daily wages is equal to, what is the formula? Total wages of all workers divided by total number of workers. Total wages of all workers divided by total number of workers. Just multiply 75 into 18, then 7 into 85, 23 into 95, 44 into 105 plus 8 into 115. That's it. The average wages, that is average daily wages, is equal to, therefore average is equal to 18 into 75 plus 7 into 85 plus 23 into 95 plus 23 into 95 plus 44 into 105, 44 into 105 plus 8 into 115 whole divided by total number of workers 18 plus 7, 18 plus 7 plus 23 plus 44 plus 8. Simplify this. What is this equal to? This is equal to, so this is equal to 1350. 18 into 75 is 1350 plus 85 into 7 is 595 plus 23 into 95 2185 plus 8 into 115 4620 4620 divided by, if you add this, that is equal to 100, that is already given, right? So if you add the numerator, you will get 8750 divided by 100, that's equal to 8700 gets cancelled. 875 by 10 means 87.5, that's it, 87.5. So therefore the average daily wage is equal to 87.5. That's it. This is the average daily wage. So the average daily wage is 87.5. That's it. Okay. That's all regarding these type of problems. These are few problems on averages. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.